Alright, it's time to get serious about my next backpacking trip. A 114-mile, 9-day trek through the heart of the Colorado Trail. Every adventure like this starts right here at the desk with the data. The plan was to manually transcribe every waypoint, water source, and campsite from my databook into a spreadsheet. I knew this was going to take hours. After typing just a few lines, I stopped. There has to be a better way to do this, I thought to myself. I've been experimenting with some AI tools lately, so I figured, why not try it on this? I grabbed my phone, opened up Gemini, and decided to see if it could save me from hours of typing. The result was a great starting point. In just a few moments, it pulled the data from my photos and created a spreadsheet for me to plan against. What would have taken me all night was done. I quickly did the same for all 6 segments. Segments 3 through 8, over 100 miles of trail data digitized in minutes. With that done, I could immediately move on to the big picture. I thought, why not have Gemini give me some options for the trip? So I crafted a prompt, Gemini crunched the numbers, and gave me 2 solid options: a comfortable 10-day pace, or a more aggressive 9-day push that buys me a full recovery day. But before I commit, I need to dig in and see what these days will actually feel like on the ground. After some consideration, I figure I can tackle the 9-day plan. It's ambitious, but seeing it mapped out, it feels right. The challenge is part of the appeal. And having that extra day off at the end is a huge motivator. Either for recovery or as a buffer. With my stops planned, there's one last piece of data I need. The exact mileage and elevation gain for each specific day. I could do the math myself, or I could just ask my planning partner right here in the spreadsheet. I tried a few prompts to have Gemini generate this information, but I couldn't get it to work. I guess I'll take this one on. And there it is, my Colorado Trail segment plan. It's amazing to look at this and think back to my previous planning methods. By integrating a new tool, I've built a dynamic planning process that's faster, more detailed, and to be honest, lets me be more creative. It's less time typing and more time thinking about the actual adventure, the story I want to tell. For me, this is what it's all about. Always learning, always looking for a better way to do things. Using the tools we create not to replace our thinking, but to elevate it. And with this plan locked in, the next steps will be mine on the Colorado Trail.